I'm Myron Ferguson, that drywall guy. I've been in the drywall business for over 30 years. I'm here to tell you about Ad4's high-performance drywall tapes for the professional and the do-it-yourselfer. Self-adhesive mesh drywall tape eliminates blisters and bubbles, saves on application and drying time, and creates stronger joints. Let me show you how easy it is to install. The mesh tape is applied over the seam before any joint compound. Because it's self-adhesive, it's very easy to just put in place over the seam. I like to take my taping knife and make sure it's embedded nice and tight. And then I'm going to apply a compound over the top of the tape. A lot of people really like the yellow tape because it helps indicate that enough compound has been placed over the tape. Once this compound dries, this coat dries, you're going to apply a fill coat over the top of that. I'm going to show you how to do that now, even though this isn't dry. I just want to show you how easy it is to apply. I just take my trowel, smooth it out, got the edges feathered in really nice. Now when this coat dries, I'm going to lightly sand it, then apply a very thin finish coat, lightly sand that, and you're ready for primer.